Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video I will show you, as well as tell you how you can quickly and easily see all the devices from which your Telegram login was made on iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also be sure to put your likes under this video, and also write your comments after watching. And let's get on with the topic, friends. And I'm gonna show you step by step. If you suspect that someone else has logged into your Telegram from some other device, someone else recognized your password, or, friends, you've just logged into your Telegram from someone else's device or some old device, and you would like to see where there's a list of such devices in Telegram, I'm going to show you quickly. And first, you'll need to open the app itself on your iPhone. Now down on the bottom right, click on Settings. And here in Settings, you'll be able to find the device option. And then it'll show you a list of all the devices that you've previously logged into Telegram from, or that you're currently logged into. So, you'll be able to easily see that list. And let's say, if you would like to delete a device, you will need to click on that device. And then at the bottom, you'll need to disconnect that device. And then, friends, if someone is logged into your Telegram, or if you have previously logged into your Telegram from someone else's device, this way you or someone else will no longer be able to log into your Telegram because they will no longer have access to it. This is how you can see the entire list of devices from which you have logged into your Telegram on iPhone. I hope, friends, that you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write, friends, your comments. See you soon.